Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In last video, we covered up to pattern number 38. Now in today's session, we will solve pattern number 39. Sir, what is this pattern? Something like the previous program only, but I want to take lowercase alphabets. First, I will print E value for 5 times. Then I want to print D value 5 times. Then I want to print C value 5 times. Then I want to print B value 5 times. Then I want to print A value 5 times. Like this, I need to solve. How we can able to do this? Sir, I'm going to start from n is equal to, okay, I think same loop 4 to 0, but in the place of 65, 65 is meant for capital letters. In the place, if I replace 97, so 97 is used to take the ASCII value for small letters. That's why it is going to print like first 5 E's, then 5 D's, then 5 C's, then 5 B's, and then 5 E's. Like that we are going to get. Right? I think you people got very clear clarity about this program, sir. Okay? Right. Thank you.